I'd like to talk to you about what to do when your gun has been stolen or is missing. You do not need to file a report according to Oklahoma law or federal law. Let's get that straight. There is no liability, either civil or criminal, for failing to file a report. But it makes good sense to file a report because when you bought the gun, you filled out a 4473. And that form associates you with the serial number of the gun, the date it was purchased, the make and model of the gun, and if that gun turns up at the scene of a crime anywhere in the world or in the country, the police are going to come looking for you. So if your gun turns up missing or if it's lost, it's a good idea to file a report. Also, another good reason for filing the lost report with the police is that if it's ever found, they will return it to you. You may have some liability if it turns out you were negligent under the circumstances of how your gun was lost. Perhaps you had your gun in the company of a bunch of minors and then you set it down and then negligently they picked it up, or it was your fault for them getting it and shooting each other or committing a crime with it. That's a possibility. So we always have to be aware of the circumstances. A good idea to talk to your attorneys at U.S. Law Shield about this. And you cannot be charged just for the reason that it was stolen or it was lost. But you may be liable for failing to properly secure your weapon if circumstances so require. So use your common sense. Now then, there is a law requiring you to properly secure your gun in an automobile when it's on a school parking lot. The gun must not be visible and it must be in a locked enclosure. Before you give a written statement, it's always a good idea to preview this with your U.S. Law Shield attorney, and we can give you helpful advice.